Getting to be that time of year, it feels like fall already. Nice and cool weather. Bowen's out here shooting his bow, hitting bullseyes. Nice. Daddy's arrows are a little further away. His first year Bowden shooting with a release, a rest, and a sight. And he had 3 pins on his sight, and I took them all off just so he has one to focus on. Remember, wherever that pin is, that's where your arrow's going to go. Nice. That's a good shot. That draw length is the smallest that it can go. I think it's at an 18. Last shot, and then he's going to go collect the arrows. All I got to do is sit back and relax, shoot my bow 3 times. Give a little encouragement to this guy. Aim small, miss small. Ooh, it's all good. Go collect them arrows, boy. Those are all good shots. Remember, pull out the arrows straight so they don't bend. This is nice. I used to have to get up and walk over there. I'm just kidding, I still would. Sprinkling? Those arrows are a little harder to pull out, aren't they? Attaboy. Good job. Beautiful evening. No mosquitoes out. Yeah, might as well kick a ball. Those ones are going to be tough to pull out. Easy. I'm just kidding. Good shooting, dude. Thanks a bunch. Thanks for the help.
What arrows do you think are nicer, mine or yours?
Probably mine. Ooh, mine's got a little light on them.
That's zombie arrows.
Zombies.